Hi friends, I'm Tirak, you're watching Tech Maybe Unique, and today we're going to see how to remove the hyperlink from the link on the text inside your Microsoft Excel mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to remove the hyperlink on your Microsoft Excel mobile, I just going to show in this video. So for an example, this text contains the link. You can see the changes it have underlined and also the colors. So this text also have the link. Click on this and you will have this pop-up called open link, edit link and remove link. You just need to click on the remove link. This will remove the link from the text and it's become a normal text. You can just undo or redo this option. Just click on this remove link, that's it. The same process can be repeated for anything. For an example, I'm just going to select this and it shows the open link and edit link and remove link. So click on this remove link option, which will simply remove the link from the text. This is how you just remove the hyperlink from the any text on your Microsoft Excel mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and beautiful day. If you're having any comment doubts, just comment below. I will make a video about it.